Good day, everyone. I'm back here with the lesson number two, setting up standards again. But now it's for text and dimensions. Uh, I'll be opening the file template lessons that I have started before, and we go from there. So this is the file I opened before, lesson template I'm working on before, and now we are on creating new text and dimension styles for the project or for the template. Um, Again, before you start working on template, we're gonna go to level one. I already had this almost like a boxed box project. You can set up and go 3D view, and you see like it's just a small boxed unit. Go back to level one here. I'm gonna set up text. Again, if you go to drafting view, I would like to go to drafting view first for text. Um, if you click on text here, text box, you have dimension text dim one. It's called text dim one. I created this one, and if you go to edit type, this is how we do. You click duplicate, and you have dim two. For now, I'm just leaving it for dim one, the one I created right now. You can change the colors. You can change line weight. You, of course, line weight, if we have discussed that before, there is still 16 in Revit. We have background, opaque, or transparent. Um, you know that. We want to show a leader, show border. If you want to show border, you can see it's already there, and the border is there. Um, Again, sorry about that. And on view, you have to click on the text to bring them one, and then edit type. That's how we always do. Um, Arrowhead, if you wanna, right now there is none. There's no arrowhead. If I just wanna show you something. If you do like this, see there is no arrowhead. Um, I thought I checked the box before, but none. See, there is no text. Um, if you actually if you click on text and you go here dim one and then click properties, that's really way better to show you the changes. If you click on box, you see the box is coming, and then you click and check apply, it's gone. You have this leader border offset. Of course, we know that. If you want to change it to 6, just something obvious, you see the border is gone far away. I want it to be 2, and it's good enough for me. Leader head, now that's what it is. You want to change it, arrow field. It's filled with 30 degrees. You want a wider one. Actually, there is another one, 90 degrees, but it's not filled. If it doesn't say filled, it's not filled. Um, you have too many options here. So I'm gonna go like you're gonna try it yourself. I'm gonna leave it to 30 degrees or 20. Oops. I don't know why I clicked cancel. Um, Fill 30 degrees. Usually it's good. And if you wanna, we are here on the text. If you wanna change it, you just click on the text minus, and we have completely deleted it. So again, you want to bring the text menu, you have dim one, and we have this property. So again, for text, we have time New Roman. I changed it before. It used to be Arial, so you can change it whatever you want. I'll leave it for now. Um, Now text size, you can change the text size. I change it to zero point 0.9. Usually it's 1 for the width factor. You have bold, italic, underline, all these, you know that. Text style, I mean text size, tab size, all these, you can change them whatever you want. Now I'm moving forward to so you know how to actually create now a text type. And text is under the family system. Family is called text. There is nothing to load. There's only one. Apply. Okay, we're done. We will see you with the next lesson here. It's regarding the dimensions. Again, we're gonna go back to level one. We're gonna create a line or DI. So now it's DI. You see it's automatically going to center line. That's how it is. And if you want to change it, click tab and you change to the outer line of the wall. Another tab. It's here. It's there. If you want to tab, center line. If you want to tab, either or, outside or inside. Tab and you are inside or the other option. So I'm gonna leave it for this option. If you wanna really dimension the wall here, I'm gonna show you something here. You can see AutoCAD or sorry, Revit tells you which option that you have. So you just tab, 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 and you go from one option to the other option. Right now, see tab, tab, tab. So, anyways, I'll leave it for center line right now for this one. And I'm gonna do another one, which is uh, tab, tab to the outside of the wall. I just want to show you the difference between the two. I'm gonna create a new dimension style. Actually, I already create few. If you go aligned, sorry, dimensional line, you have two here. You have dim one. If you click on that one, it's a dim one. This is dim two. Um, really nothing to say about that, but for dim 2, if you want to change it to dim 1, this one here, see the changes right away, reflects, and it's center line. This is the difference between the two. So if what I use like a center line on a witness line, this is a witness line, this is a dimension line. So always remember that one. Um, Again, I'm gonna go back to a aligned dimension. I'm gonna go dim 1. Okay, we're there. I'm gonna go to properties, and this is all what it's all about. There is a few changes from Revit 2017 and 16. Oh, sorry, 17 and 2015 later and earlier versions. In the other, used to be only equality text here to be changed. Now we have equality formula, total lengths. It gives you like a formula number that you're gonna use, and there is some parameters to be changed here, and a prefix and a suffix. It's very complicated. Now we have equality witness display, thick and line, thick only, or hide. So quite a few changes in dimensions here for Revit 2017. I'll move forward now for a how to change and what's every item here on graphics. Dimension line string type, so it's continuous. So you can see what does it mean. It means like if you it is continuous. If you go, let's say baseline, that means you will see what I mean. If you do multiple dimensions, let's say, are we in dim one right now? Yes, we are. Um, if you go, let's say from here, and you see what that means. It's not a continuous, it's in baseline. So the baseline is the first line you started from, and that's how it is. So again, you will know what it is when you tried it on yourself by yourself. I'll leave it continuous. This is what it is. For dim one, I only want to change. This is the if you want to drag the text arc or line, an example. Now it's arc. If you want to say okay, hit and you hit that and you say it's an arc. If it was like a line, it will change the line. Again, leader tick mark, If you want to change it to none, it would say none. So there is nothing there. I'll leave this one arc for sure. It's the basic. So it's a not the basic I meant. It's a standard. Usually, um, leader thick mark none. Show leader when text moves. Yes. Um, Thick mark. We have it diagonal. We can leave it like filled dot, and you can see on the diagonal here, on the sorry, on the dimension, the thick mark. So there's a little thick mark, and then we have moved right now to the thick mark of the dimension itself. Now it's a dot, so it's a huge one. So you're gonna leave it diagonal, and you have the plenty of choices there. Um, Line weight, of course, you have 16. Sorry, thick mark line weight. So yeah, just a thick mark. So just this one. Of course, you want to change it. You want to see the difference. Yeah, it's thicker now. I'll leave it 3. Um, Dimension line extension. Of course, this is the extension. Right now it's 2. I can put it like 1, for example, just to see the difference between this one and that one. This one was 2 as well. This one is 1. Um, Witness line extension. Witness line always is this one, like I said. You can put it 1, apply, and it says shorter, and it's good. But I'll leave it for now. Um, Witness line thick mark. Witness line thick mark. There's no witness. This is a witness line. There's no thick mark here. So if I put 1, you see there's an arrow, but usually it's none. I mean, we don't need that. Center line symbol. Like I said, I have it on dim 2, but oh sorry, I had it on dim 1. I'll leave it none for dim 2. Centerline pattern, yeah, solid. I like solid. Centerline thick mark, of course, there is no centerline. This is leave it default. Default means like it's gonna read whatever the thick mark here. It says diagonal, so default. Yeah, so pretty much covered everything. Dimension line, color of the dimension lines. It's a black. Width factor, I leave it 0.9 skinnier. And the line, yeah, bold, whatever, text size, you know that. Up and left, yeah, it's always up and left, up then left, sorry. Um, if you're going like a different dimension. Oh, looks like I haven't clicked apply. I saw the arrow here. Anyways, text is environment opaque. Opaque is good. If you want, you can add like you can change. Right now it's millimeters for the unit format. Use project, okay. We can change it and check the use project, change it to feet, okay. Apply, see it's feet. We don't want that. We are using metric. Use project, apply, okay. It's metric back. Um, Alternate units, uh, right below. I'll put it below. What alternate unit you want? Uh, I'll use feet and inches, right? Fractional inches nearest to 116 is fine. Apply. Oops, right there. It's there. The reason it's up there is because I moved the text up. But if, let's say, for instance, I put the text back here, see it's down. So that's below. Um, yeah. So again, edit type. Where were we here? And back to unit prefix. Yeah. So if you want to put like A, B, C, D, unit prefix, suffix. If apply, you see it, it's there. You want to delete it. It's obvious, I guess. These are just typical things that you have. Open show opening. Oh, this is good. This is a new option here. I mean, it was before, but earlier versions of 2017. Maybe it was in 2012. Apply. You're not gonna show anything here. Um, I will show you what it is. It's the opening window here. We can do that. Actually, we're all done here. I'm gonna apply. Okay. I'm gonna leave that one there. I'm gonna use this one and edit. I'm gonna go right the way down. I don't know why I have this one. Apply. I don't want any suffix here or anything else. I just need the center line. Um, this is what it is. Show opening height. All of a sudden, if you put like a dimension, if you want to open a new dimension, let's say align, annotate align. Oops, I didn't click align, I guess. Tab or even center is fine. But now I would like to have it on the wall and tab, and you have that 915. That's the rough opening of the window. And then you got the center wall. Let's say, for instance, just want to show you what's this all about. I'm gonna delete this wall. I think I did it before. Delete. We'll try to move these dimensions up. Oops, up a little bit. Yeah, I think it's fine. Um, I'm gonna, since I have changed, I don't think I had made the changes. Um, the opening here is not showing because we didn't have that option, alternate unit. So, um, but again, this is not what it is. This is a different issue here. We have when it's an opening, um, you have actually to do your dimension differently. So again, you do this, that, not to the wall, and you see you have your height on that, and exactly how we had it before, dim one, and then if you scroll down and you see if you uncheck mark that one, it's gone. There is no height shown. Um, apply, it's there. So again, this is a very important feature when you have to actually uh, hit on the window itself. Otherwise, it won't show you that height. Otherwise, if you do like that, I did before. This is a fixed window. If you do tab, this is a wall. This is a wall, and it won't show you that at all, or whatever it showed before. Again, this is fixed window. It will show you that. But if you do this, is a wall. I'm sure this is the oops. Again, I'm gonna try it again. This is a wall. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. It just sometimes with Revit is you need to be careful what you hit. So you have this as a wall. Yeah, this is a wall. See, although it's the same dimension, but because I'm measuring from wall to wall opening, it won't show that wall height. So be careful on that when you select. Please make sure you select the window itself. That way, it show you the opening height. Unless you have something else different, because there is also um, not in the windows, but uh, you can add actually in families. You go down to families. This is not actually the scope uh, of this tutorial. Um, I'm not sure if it's loaded right now, but I'm trying to find it. It's an opening, right? Um, if I can find the opening for a for the windows, I don't think it's there. It's not loaded. I have to, yeah, I have to load the windows. I mean the openings. The only things you can do that is uh, place component and then load family. And there is openings. And let's see an opening. Any opening, open. See, now we have an opening. Um, I believe right now, if you do the annotation aligned and you go from here, it shows you the openings, even though the height, sorry, even though it's really at the wall, because again, Revit reads whatever you have put on the what you modeled. I modeled here a opening, so the opening comes from rough opening from the wall, but when you put a window, you have actually to measure from the window. So just be careful on that, and hopefully I have covered everything for dimensions and text, how to create the new text and styles, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and hopefully you're gonna subscribe to my channel, and see you again for the next video.